first. What do you
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
with this meaning, with this word?
Ma'am, the
Persons who
system
are
of
working in
courts in
courts.
India.
Yes, some एक
System
कोई
of
बोलो.
courts.
System of course. Yes, Saket?
Ma'am, the person who are working in courts.
The persons who are working in courts. Yes. What do you think, Natasha? Yes, Amy?
Ma'am, your screen recording has started, but it is हमको नहीं दिख रहा, but it is not visible.
No, I have not yet presented the screen.
Ma'am, but it is showing, ma'am, Vishali ma'am, means it is showing you have started screen share.
Now, just now I've started.
Yes, ma'am, now it is visible.
Okay, okay. Fine. So come to your textbook, come to your page number. It is 91. The meaning of judiciary is given at the back. Can someone please read it for me? What is it is given in the glossary?
Ma'am, Rutuj glossary, ma'am.
Rutuj kya? Let me present the screen, then everyone else can read. Okay. So it is an institution empowered to administer justice and provide a mechanism for the resolution of legal disputes. All the courts in the country are collectively referred to as judiciary. How many types of courts do we know?
Three.
Three types of courts. What are they?
Ma'am, Supreme Court, High Court, and the State Court.
Supreme Court, High Court, and
The State Court,
Ma'am,
ma'am. The local courts.
local courts. But the state court, there
district
is
court.
no kind of district court.
Ma'am, district court.
Okay,
District
what
Court,
do you mean
yes.
by district court?
Ma'am, that is the highest governing, which is the highest court of the district, respective district. नाम
ठीक
से
है.
ही पता चलता है. मैम
नाम से
सेल्फ
ही पता चलता
एक्सप्लेनेटरी.
है. It is a code, हाँ, which works for your district. ठीक है. What do you mean by high courts then?
मैम high courts is the state court. There are 14 high courts in India.
And then we have the Supreme Court.
Supreme Court, which is the highest court in India.
Highest court
Ma'am,
in
the
India.
decision
Okay.
decision of Supreme Court is the final.
The decision of Supreme Court is the final. Okay. So all together these courts is our judiciary. See, all the courts
Yes.
at different levels in the country are collectively called the judiciary. Now, this judiciary is our independent judiciary. Now, what do we mean by this independence? It means that it is powerful institution. It is such a powerful institution to whom no power, no external power, let it be the power of a president or a prime minister, can affect the decision of the working of these courts. Like we have Independent Election Commission of India. Do you remember? Why was it called independent?
Ma'am, because nobody else, no politician or no any other people can uh, uh, means interfere in the decision of in decision of judiciary.
Yes. But who appointed the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Who used to
President.
appoint? President. Even after appointment, the commissioner, the chief commissioner is independent. In the
Yes.
same way, the Chief Justice of India in judiciary at the Supreme Court level, Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President on the advice of your Prime Minister. And after the appointment of this CJI, matlab Chief Justice of India, he is an independent. He can take his own decision, matlab subject to all the legal conditions, subject what the constitution has asked him to do. Of India can be only removed, yes, this Chief Justice of India can only be removed only when there is impeachment. Have you heard this word impeachment?
No, ma'am. मैम मीनिंग क्या रहता है उसका?
Impeachment is
What
said
is
when, sorry.
no? What is the meaning of impeachment?
See, now you have appointed your Chief Justice of India. अब उसको हम निकाल नहीं सकते easily. Now, when you have to remove any public official of such a post, then there is a process to be followed. उसको हम public that we remove it through a public process that is known as your impeachment. We cannot directly remove him or her. There is a process. वो जो process है वो follow होती है आपके parliament में. Both the houses of parliament, your Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, should have 2/3 of majority to remove the present Chief Justice of India.
Which
Now,
is very rare.
which is
Ma'am means
very hmm,
rare. Ma'am means once a chief justice is appointed, it is very almost impossible to remove.
it is very impossible to remove him. But
Almost,
you,
ma'am, I'm saying it is almost impossible to remove.
almost impossible to remove. Okay, have you heard of any news when such a judge has been removed recently?
No, ma'am.
No? Why?
Ma'am, because most of the times the judge is giving an means what you are saying verdict that is very true with the law.
That is, sorry, very true of the law.
Ma'am means I am saying most of the times the chief justice is giving a verdict that is according to the law, so nobody can go against him.
Nobody can go against him. ठीक है. Now, what
Ma'am means he is
are the
not like
powers of, sorry, हाँ
ma'am
बोलो
I am
बोलो.
saying that he is not like doing means वो किसी की तरफदारी नहीं करता. He is giving his verdict according to the law.
He is giving his verdict according to the law. What do we call it as? See, we call it as interpretation of your constitution. We have our constitution with us, we have so many acts with us. Now, who are there to interpret this? We have our then this judiciary. फिर हमारे हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट. इन तीनों में हमारे हैं judges, then we have advocates and lawyers who interpret our constitution. And how they interpret? They interpret according to what your constitution has asked them to do in particular way. That is the reason this judiciary is completely independent. The Chief Justice of India is almost impossible to get removed from that post. But if he has to be removed, there is a process which is known as impeachment. An order is to be passed president, and when the president will pass an order, only when there is a 2/3 of majority in both the houses to remove this person. Now, what exactly this judiciary does? Let us read. It settles the disputes
Ma'am,
between the
may I say
citizens.
something?
Yes.
Ma'am, most of the time the Chief Justice is not doing something which is people should be bothered, because he is a very learned man, and man or woman, they are very much, they have studied very much, so they know their limits.
मतलब ये पॉइंट क्यों बताया?
मैम मतलब वो लोग बहुत पढ़े लिखे होते हैं ना, मतलब उन लोगों को अपना काम बहुत अच्छे से पता होता है, तो वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ऐसा काम करते ही नहीं है जिसकी वजह से उनको मतलब उनको इम्पीचमेंट की जरूरत हो।
हाँ, ऐसा तो कोई भी कुछ भी काम नहीं करेगा, बट इफ देयर इज अ नीड देन व्हाट इज टू
दैट
बी
ओनली आई
डन?
एम सेइंग।
हाँ,
Ma'am, if there is a need, first of all, the need is important.
नीड इज इम्पोर्टेंट, लाइक व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? मतलब
मैम लाइक फिर तो जो नहीं होना चाहिए वो होगा ही.
एक्सप्लेन इट, इलैबोरेट इट कम प्रॉपर्ली.
बताना हमको भी तो समझना चाहिए ना।
Yes, ma'am, explaining. Ma'am, मतलब जैसे कि for example, a judge, ma'am, he is not, he is very true of his judgment. Like he never ever says anything outside or wrong about his judgment. But once a person is blackmailing him
वही
regarding
मैं भी
his,
बोल रहा हूँ, वही मैं भी बोल
हाँ,
रहा हूँ।
तो वही तो चेंज
लेट
होगा
हिम
ही ना.
कंप्लीट. हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am, because फिर person when is he's blackmailing the judge that he'll kidnap his or her family member or do something with him. So that's why the judge in force have to change the decision. No?
वो नहीं होता,
देखो,
वो मूवीज में
this-
होता।
ऐसा देखो, व्हाट हैपेंस इन आवर जुडिशरी. आपको पता है ना अंधा कानून?
हाँ.
दैट दैट लेडी इज ब्लाइंड, है ना, उसको कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता.
हाँ.
व्हाई दैट लेडी इज ब्लाइंड? आपने देखा ना, कानून के हाथ लंबे होते हैं, लेडी वो जो खड़ी है उसका तराजू है उसके हाथ में और उसकी आंखों पे पट्टी है. व्हाट डज इट सिग्निफाइज?
बिना देखे समझे बैलेंस करना, मतलब क्या हो सकता है मैम.
मैम नो, दे आर whatever, मैम
हाँ.
whatever judgment the judge is giving, he is giving on basis of law, means he is
Law.
not taking anybody in consideration.
On the basis of law, which means each and every verdict is given on the basis of the evidence. अगर
Evidence.
आपका एविडेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो आपका जजमेंट फॉल्स हो ही नहीं सकता. मतलब फॉल्स या ट्रू
Yes.
और फॉल्स इसमें होता ही नहीं है. करेक्ट या रॉन्ग जजमेंट, अ जजमेंट कैन नॉट बी करेक्ट और रॉन्ग. It is always based upon the evidence provided in front of that person, which means you're in front of that court.
Yes.
वो करेक्ट है तो जजमेंट करेक्ट है, नहीं तो फिर आप आपके पास और भी ऑप्शन है.
Yes.
यस, ऋतुज हैज जस्ट जॉइंड एंड ही इज सेइंग यस. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैज ही अंडरस्टूड.
Ma'am, it was Girija, not Rutuj.
अच्छा, ठीक है. So this judiciary solves the settles the disputes between your citizens, between citizen and government, between two or more state, between government and at the union at state level. Now this judiciary is free from your legislature.
Yes.
The judges do not act on the direction of the government or according to the wishes of the party in
Politics.
power. वो जो है ना कि ये धमका के तू यही डिसीजन ले करके, नहीं तो हम तेरे फैमिली को किडनैप करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता. जज को उसी बेसिस पे डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा
पर
ऑन द
हाँ
बेसिस
फिर
ऑफ
जो वो
द
बोलेंगे.
एविडेंस. हाँ,
मैम
बोलो.
मूवीज में होता है ये सब खाली।
कहाँ पे होता
हाँ.
है?
Police station.
मूवीज।
मूवीज एंड पुलिस स्टेशन. ठीक है.
कुछ भी मतलब.
See, the actual code is very different. To register a complaint,
Ma'am, how
you know
would
how
we
to
know na
register
that
a
what is happening with the judges? उनके साथ हुआ होगा, वो थोड़ी ना दिन
हाँ.
भर पीटने आएंगे.
सही बात है।
See,
हाँ
देखो
ना.
आपका ये जो जजमेंट होता है ना, किसी भी केस का जजमेंट, इट इज गिवन टू पब्लिक. आपको पता नहीं ये, बट इफ यू गूगल, आपको रीसेंट जजमेंट्स आपको यूट्यूब सॉरी दिस गूगल पे आराम से मिलेंगे. उनका एक ड्राफ्ट होता है कि ये केस अभी कोर्ट में प्रेजेंट की गई है, इस केस पे ये जजमेंट आया है. Now you can decide whether the judgment is correct or not. If you think the judgment is not correct, Then you have this option PIL, public interest litigation. Anyone can approach the
Yes.
courts if public interest is hurt by the actions of the government. Even you fail कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जजमेंट अभी सही नहीं दिया है, आप PIL दोबारा फाइल कर सकते हो. So we have the option and people do exercise these options.
मैम और गवर्नमेंट ने पीआईएल फाइल करने का मैम उनको 8th में था ना, गवर्नमेंट ने पीआईएल फाइल करने का प्रोसेस बहुत इजी कर दिया, एक सिंगल लेटर से भी पीआईएल फाइल कर सकते हैं.
एक सिंगल लेटर से भी आप PIL फाइल कर सकते हैं आजकल. ठीक है. Now this judiciary also acts as the guardian of your fundamental rights. What do you mean by fundamental rights?
A basic right that every person needs to have.
Needs to follow.
Need to follow. Do you know our fundamental rights given by the Constitution?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me, how many rights are there?
Ma'am, 6.
6 rights. Okay. So,
मैम पिछले साल पेपर में आया था.
हाँ.
तो ये जो भी फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैं, इनके गार्डियन कौन है? हमारे जुडिशरी. मतलब we have right to education. If your this right is violated, to whom we can approach? We can approach your
Courts.
yes. Then prevent the misuse of government power. The courts intervene to prevent the misuse of the government power to make decisions. They check malpractices on the part of public officials. That's why the judiciary enjoys a high level of confidence among the people. Okay, they check malpractices on the part of public officials. Who are classified under this public officials term?
मैम मींस कैन यू रिपीट?
देखो जुडिशरी क्या करती है, it has a check on your malpractices done by the public officials.
Yes.
Who are classified under public officials?
मैम द MPs and MLAs.
MPs and executives. Yes. Who are classified in the executives?
Elected representatives.
And there are 2 types of executives we have studied.
MPs and MLAs.
Yes.
Permanent and
Permanent.
and political.
Yes.
If these public officials are doing any kind of malpractices, who interferes? Your judiciary interferes. Chalo. Now this was your appointment of and removal of judge. We have already done this. We will come to your textbook now, students.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll try to solve some of the questions. Your chapter is over.
Okay.
हम लोग ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. If you're elected as the president of India, which of the following decision can you take on your own? Select the person you like as
First
prime
one.
minister, dismiss a prime minister, ask for reconsideration, nominate the leaders of your choice to the council of ministers.
Ma'am, option A.
Hmm?
First
Option
one.
A. Can everyone see the screen, or you have the textbook also? Page number 93.
Yes.
If A कौन बोल रहा है? ऋतुज. Select the person
Yeah.
you like as prime minister. ठीक है. Any other
Ma'am,
answer?
D.
Ma'am, B.
Nominate
Last,
the leaders
last.
of your choice. अच्छा. Now let us analyze. ठीक है. You are elected as the president of India. Which of the following decision can you take on your own? देखो, आप प्रेसिडेंट हो कंट्री के और आपको खुद के ऊपर से डिसीजन लेना है. क्या आप किसी प्राइम मिनिस्टर को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो अपने आप से?
नहीं.
नहीं.
You cannot select. Why? Because prime minister is selected by whom?
People.
Who people? No, तुम लोग भूल गए सारा चैप्टर. Is selected by the
Ma'am,
members of legislative
Yes.
assembly.
Members of legislation.
Yes.
Ma'am, but the voting is done by the people, no? The people
Ma'am, by
No.
the
अरे तो वो अपने अपने कैंडिडेट को वोट करते हैं, मतलब नॉमिनी को, और फिर मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव, मतलब
हाँ हाँ,
उन
बस
लोग
बस
एक
समझ गया
चूज
मैम,
करते
प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
ठीक है, समझ गया, ओके। Now dismiss a prime minister who has a majority in Lok Sabha. अब देखो, a president cannot dismiss a prime minister. Why?
यस।
Because he's been elected by the person. Is anyone commenting? No. Chalo. Then your next is ask for reconsideration of a bill passed by both the houses. Sorry, who is this?
इतना जल्दी।
Good morning. चलो आ जाओ. Ask for a reconsideration of a bill passed by both the houses. अब ये दोनों जो बिल है, to a bill is turned into act only when both the houses of the parliament passes it. कहाँ पास होते हैं ये? प्रेसिडेंट के पास. President can ask for reconsideration of this bill only once. ये हमने पढ़ा था प्रेसिडेंट के पावर में,
Yes.
इफ यू रिमेम्बर. उसने एक बार बिल रिजेक्ट कर दिया, फिर से वो लोकसभा राज्यसभा में जाएगा. सेकेंड टाइम जब वो बिल उसके पास आएगा, प्रेसिडेंट के पास, ही हैज टू साइन दैट बिल. Then fourth is nominate the leaders of your choice to the Council of Ministers. Now, who said this? Sanish said this, nomination of leaders of your choice to the Council of Ministers. This is the answer. Why do you think this answer is right?
Ma'am, because this would be the fair choice in every situation, na? Because we are nominating a leader, we are not choosing it directly.
President nominates some of the persons in which, in where does the president nominates? क्या वो council of ministers के जो ministers हैं उनको nominate करता है, या वो राज्यसभा में कुछ persons को nominate करता है?
राज्यसभा.
राज्यसभा में
Yes, ma'am. राज्यसभा।
राज्यसभा में nominate करता है. So here the correct answer is your C. As a president, you can ask for
C or D?
reconsideration. C is the correct answer. D is not the correct.
Oh.
You can nominate some of persons, but only in Rajya Sabha. Council of Ministers बाहर होते हैं ना, कि cabinet, prime minister is
हाँ.
there. Who handles this? Prime minister, president. Next पे आ जाओ. Who among the following is a part of political executive? अब पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव्स में वो है कौन? हमारे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. नाउ आइडेंटिफाई हु इज द पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर, सेक्रेटरी ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स, होम मिनिस्टर और डीजीपी, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ.
C.
B.
सी होम मिनिस्टर. बी. Who is saying B, C? बताओ. Which is the
Ma'am.
correct answer?
Ma'am, no.
No?
Ma'am, we don't know.
Please repeat.
तुमको स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है? Do you have your textbooks open with you? Page number 93. और ये कौन खुसफुस कर रहा है? किसका माइक ऑन है?
होगा कोई ना।
ठीक है. The
ऋतुज।
question is very simple.
A.
Question is very simple कि इन चारों में से पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव कौन है? तो पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव्स कौन होते हैं? Those are elected by the general public through votings. Now, whether your district collector is voted by the public?
No.
No. Who is this district collector? कौन होता है ये?
Ma'am, he is an government officer.
He is a government officer. आपके जो IAS जो होते हैं,
IPS.
IAS, he is appointed as district collector.
Yes.
He is a government servant. Then you have Secretary of Ministry of Home Affairs. तो Ministry of Home Affairs का जो minister होगा, he will be the political executive.
मैम, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स वो एक पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव हो गया, लेकिन यहाँ पे सेक्रेटरी बोला है, सो इट इज एन गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर.
Yes, he is an government servant.
Yes.
फिर आते हैं हम हमारे होम मिनिस्टर में.
This is an political executive.
He is a yes. He is elected by people.
People.
DGP is appointed by the government.
The
जो
government.
हमारे IPS
The
ऑफिसर हो
police.
रहे हैं. Yes.
The
So the
police
correct answer
department.
here is C, Home Minister. Now come to your third. Which of the following statements about the judiciary is false? Is false, okay? Every law passed by the parliament needs approval of the Supreme Court. Judiciary can strike down a law if it goes against the spirit of constitution. Judiciary is independent of the executive. Any citizen can approach the courts if her rights are violated. Okay. You have to identify which one is the false statement.
Ma'am, C.
C. Judiciary is independent of the executive. This is a false statement. Why do you think?
Yeah. Ma'am, because judiciary is not is independent, but it's not independent of the executive.
It is independent of executive. Executive में आपके कौन आते हैं? Political and permanent executive.
Yes.
इसका मतलब ये है इस सेंटेंस का कि this political and permanent executives cannot ask judiciary to perform in a certain way.
Ma'am, B would be the wrong.
B
Answer.
would be the wrong. Judiciary can strike down a law if it goes against the spirit of the constitution. No, how can this be wrong? Judiciary जो है कि judiciary is the guardian of the fundamental rights of your
Yes.
constitution. अगर आप constitution के against कुछ करोगे तो judiciary can strike down that law.
Yes.
Correct है.
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am, answer is A. Ma'am, A. Ma'am, you are not audible.
Hello, sorry, I lost a connection. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Answer is A.
Yes, answer is A. Why this is so now? Parliament doesn't require the approval of Supreme Court for each and every law passed by it.
Yes.
क्यों लगता है आपको ऐसा होना चाहिए? ऐसा है? Why do you think this is false?
Ma'am, because judiciary can means disallow a law only if it is against the constitution. If it is according to the constitution, there is no problem with the judiciary.
Yes, very good. See, your parliament is there to make the law to pass any law. Ab
Yes.
Supreme Court, when the Supreme Court will come in the picture, only when it is violating your constitution, and if any citizen has any problem with
The law.
this law passed. अगर डिस्प्यूट होगा तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट या आपके जुडिशरी इंटरफेयर करेंगे. So this statement is false. Proceed to your next. Which of the following institution can make changes to an existing law of the country? Now this is very simple.
Ma'am, Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Everyone agrees to it?
Yes, ma'am.
Which of the following institution can make changes to an existing law of the country? See, A, Ishwar is saying A. Which is the A option? Supreme Court. No, beta.
Ma'am, of
No,
course,
no, no, no.
Parliament can make changes, but the judiciary can also make changes. No, if they think a law is against the constitution.
No. Judiciary, what it does, it only settles this dispute. That is why we have read this. ये presentation कहाँ गया? It settles the dispute. See, it is the guardian of fundamental rights. It prevents the misuse of government power. But the power of making the law lies with whom? Lies with your parliament.
Constitution.
Yes. Ma'am,
अगर
but it is not here mentioned the power to make law. It is mentioned to make changes in an existing law.
हाँ तो चेंजेस कौन करेगा? जुडिशरी आके चेंजेस नहीं करेंगे. जुडिशरी विल सजेस्ट कि आपके जो आपने लॉ बनाया है सिटीजन को उस लॉ से ये प्रॉब्लम है, कंसिडर दिस, इट विल गो, दिस मैटर विल गो विद द पार्लियामेंट. फिर लोकसभा पे वो होता है ना, मीटिंग्स होते हैं, फिर आपके सेशंस
हाँ.
होते हैं. Then Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, then they will amend the acts, the bills or any law. They will change the existing law. फिर वो जाता है आपके प्रेसिडेंट के पास, प्रेसिडेंट विल साइन एंड देन इट विल कम. फिर से अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, देन जुडिशरी विल इंटरफेयर. फिर से सेम प्रोसेस, इट विल अगेन, दिस मैटर विल अगेन गो टू द पार्लियामेंट, क्योंकि लॉ वही चेंज कर सकता है जिसने बनाया हो.
बनाया हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Now match the ministry with the news that the ministry may have released. A new policy is being made to increase the jute exports from the country.
Ma'am,
Ministry of
second, Ministry of
Agriculture.
Agriculture, Food and Public Distribution.
Yes.
Ma'am, no, Ministry.
Ma'am, it will be fourth.
Yes, Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
Commerce and industry. Why? Why?
Ma'am, because it is related to export, means it is related to the giving and taking of money. That's why it is the Ministry of Commerce.
सुबह सुबह ही खत्म हो गया.
क्या खत्म हो गया भाई? ठीक है.
No, ma'am,
A
nothing,
new
ma'am.
policy is being made to increase the jute exports from the country. अब देखो, the matter is regarding your import and export.
Yes.
And the ministry which handles this, your trade, is your Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
Okay.
Telephone services will be made more accessible to rural areas.
Ma'am, fifth.
Okay, Ministry of...
Ministry of Communications and Information Technology.
Okay, good. Read the next. The price of rice and wheat sold under the public distribution
Ma'am,
system
second.
will go down.
Second, Ministry of
Okay.
Agriculture and Food and Public Distribution.
ठीक है. A pulse polio campaign will be launched.
Third.
Ministry of Health.
Ministry of Health. The allowances of the soldiers posted on high
First.
altitudes will be increased. Ministry of Defense.
Ministry of Defense.
ठीक है. One more. Revocation of Section 370 from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Which ministry?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Revocation of Section 370 from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Which
Ma'am,
ministry?
Internal Affairs Ministry.
Internal Affairs. There is one more ministry.
State Ministry.
नहीं.
External affair.
That is not an external affair.
Internal Affairs.
कौन, किसने किया था वो
इंडिया में
सेक्शन
आता तो
370?
एक्सटर्नल कैसे हो गया? No,
ये पता होना चाहिए आपको.
the-
हाँ. अमित शाह कौन है? Who is Amit Shah?
Ma'am, Home Ministry.
Home
Yes.
Minister.
Yes.
It is decided by your home minister. ठीक है. Preparation of budget. Preparation of financial budget. Which ministry?
Finance
Financial.
Ministry.
Finance Ministry.
ठीक है. National Education Policy.
Education
The
Ministry.
Ministry of Education.
मैम
Okay.
अमित शाह इज चमचा ऑफ मोदी जी.
ये कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे.
एकदम सही.
This is
क्या
a
बोला?
recorded session. This is a recorded session.
चलो. Of all the institutions that we have studied in this chapter, name the one that exercises the power on each of the following matters. Decision on allocation of money for developing infrastructure like roads, irrigation, and different welfare activities for citizens.
Ma'am, Ministry of Development and Infrastructure.
No. See, read it. The answer lies in the first line. Decision on allocation of money. It is only a decision.
Yes, ma'am.
Budget कौन
Ma'am,
बनाता है?
Ministry of Commerce and
नहीं बेटा. Finance. This is related to your money.
Finance Ministry.
Ministry of Finance. बस डिसीजन है, अब तक पैसे गए नहीं है. नेक्स्ट आ जाओ. कंसीडर द.
मैम अगर उसको बनाना हो फिर वो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डेवलपमेंट एंड
हाँ,
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
फिर
होगा.
वो जिनका होगा उनके पास चला जाएगा. Consider the recommendation of a committee on a law to regulate the stock exchange. Wow, wow, wow. Very good.
मिनिस्ट्री
मैम
ऑफ
Next.
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर.
स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के बारे में बोला है. सुनो सुनो.
कॉमर्स.
कंसिडर बोला है आपको. कंसिडर द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ अ कमिटी ऑन अ लॉ टू रेगुलेट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. एक कमिटी बैठी है, उसका कुछ रिकमेंडेशन है स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से रिलेटेड. इस रिकमेंडेशन को कौन कंसीडर करता है? ये रिकमेंडेशन कहाँ लेके जाते हैं हम?
Parliament.
पार्लियामेंट. यस, वेरी गुड. द फर्स्ट केस स्टडी दैट वी डिड, SEBC था ना वो,
हाँ.
उनका भी रिकमेंडेशन था. किसके पास गया था? पार्लियामेंट के पास. सो हियर द आंसर विल बी ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. कम टू द थर्ड, डिसाइड ऑन अ लीगल डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन टू स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स. ये तो पता है. कौन होगा?
Internal Affairs.
Decide on a legal dispute between two state governments.
मैम स्टेट
Judiciary.
Judiciary. Okay. Implement the decision to provide relief for the victims of an earthquake. Implement, a word is used, implement, to provide relief for the victims of an earthquake. Who implements the decision? Which body? We have three bodies.
मैम legislature.
Again, read it again. Implement word is
मैम
used.
executive.
Ma'am, executive.
Executive. ठीक है. Now we will stop here. You will mark your attendance. I'm sending you the
Yes.
attendance.
मैम रुको ऐप खोलने दो.
हाँ, आराम से.
Ma'am, every day you are sending before we are opening app. That's why we cannot answer. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, app कसं open करा?
काय?
Ma'am, मी app नाही open करू शकत. ते login होत नाही.
तुझं मी करते.
ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे.
And ma'am, please mark mine.
Yes, Anish. Switch on your cameras, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
आया
Gaurav.
हुआ.
Switch on your
Yes.
cameras. Let me see you
Ma'am,
all.
इसको फारसा आहे.
काय नाही होत, कर answer.
बिलकुल का.
Hello, Amy. Hello, Rutuj.
हे heavy कोणी?
Hi,
हे complaint बिल का?
Sanmitra. पूरा ब्लैंकेट वगैरह लेके बैठी है. वेरी गुड. ज्यादा ठंड है.
Bro, complaint पे.
चलो, इट्स गुड टू सी यू चिल्ड्रन. वेरी गुड टू सी यू.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा.
बाबू किसको इतना
Bro,
जल्दी?
क्या क्या?
चलो, एवरीवन हैज इट. हेलो शशांक, विराट, सईद, केदार, सब ठीक?
मैम मार्क हो गया.
ओके, मार्क. चलो,
मैम डन.
दूध. ओके,
ऋतुज डापले.
चलो, you may leave students. Join the next class. Thank you.
50.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Ma'am, please
Bye,
mark
ma'am.
mine.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, मेरा mark कर दो. Then you can please leave. Ma'am.
Okay, okay. I will mark yours.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, Sanish, open कर. Switch on your camera.
मैम वो माइक ऑन नहीं करता, कैमरा कहाँ करेगा?
Complain क्या बोल रहे हैं? Complain P गौरेय. तुम लोग ना मेरे को भुला देते हो. Recording is going on. चलो लीव बेटा. साकिब मैं मार्क कर
मैम
दूंगी.
उसमें क्या एडिट कर लेना.